Factories once spoke dozens of different languages: PROFIBUS, DeviceNet, Modbus, CANopen. Each protocol was a camp, a tribe, and companies had to pick sides. This was the Fieldbus Wars. In the 1990s, the IEC had a choice: unify the industry under one bus or let the big vendors push their own. They choose compromise. The result? Not one standard, but dozens. Each backed by a giant like Siemens, Rockwell or Beckhoff. Each designed to keep you inside their ecosystem. Then, Ethernet entered the factory. And it should have ended the wars. Instead, it just opened a new front. Profinet, EtherCAT, Ethernet IP. Today, industrial Ethernet powers more than 70% of new devices. But it's not one Ethernet, it's many dialects. It's optimized for different needs: speed, motion, safety. So why didn't we ever settle on one language? The truth is, first, business strategy. Protocols became modes. If you bought Siemens, you stayed Siemens. Second, physics. Motion control needs microsecond precision. Process plans need redundancy. Different industries, different needs. And third, inertia. By the time new buses arrived, millions of devices were already installed. Killing them would mean killing customers' investments. And that's why the wars never really ended. So, who wins today? Not the armies, but the diplomats, the gateways, the routers, the edge devices that let old and new, Profibus, Profinet, Modbus, and OPC UA all speak to each other. The Fieldbus wars never truly ended, but the companies that thrive today aren't the ones who won battles in the 90s. They're the ones who make everyone speak the same language.